Holy moly, unraveling the fun phrase. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and expressive phrase in the English language, holy moly. By the end of this video, you'll know when and how to use it, and what it means. So, let's get started. Holy moly is an exclamation used to express surprise, shock, or amazement. It's similar to saying, "Oh my gosh," or "wow." You might hear it in response to unexpected news, a sudden event, or something astonishing. For example, if someone sees a car narrowly avoid an accident, they might exclaim, "Holy moly. That was close." While the exact origins are a bit unclear, holy moly is believed to be a euphemism. Euphemisms are milder or less direct words or phrases used in place of another term that might be considered too blunt or harsh. Holy moly is thought to be a more polite alternative to expressions that might involve taking religious names in vain. Over the years, it has been popularized in movies, TV shows, and pop culture, adding to its widespread recognition. So, when should you use holy moly? Here are a couple of examples to guide you. 1. When seeing a large amount of something unexpected. 2. Holy moly, look at all those cakes. 3. Reacting to a surprising event. 4. Holy moly, did you see that lightning strike? 5. Upon hearing surprising news. 6. Holy moly, I can't believe they're getting married. It's worth noting that while the phrase is understood by many, it can be considered informal. So, it's best suited for casual conversations and not in very formal settings. That wraps up our exploration of holy moly. It's one of those colorful phrases that makes the English language so delightful. We hope you enjoyed learning about it and feel confident using it in your chats. Keep practicing and remember, language learning is always an exciting journey. See you in the next video.